Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bailey. You're welcome. I don't know if you've ever heard of drag queens removing their makeup with dish soap, but that's what we're gonna try today because this is what they do. Like, no tea, no shade. I think if this is a medium that is available to you, go for it. I have seen firsthand bitches remove their makeup with dish soap with my own eyes, and I was like this the whole time. Now, today we have the Dawn Botanicals Cherry Blossom Scent. I did some research for this video and I reached out to some drag queens and asked, how do you remove your makeup at 5 a.m.? This is what some had to say. Rub coconut oil all over and scrub, then remove with a towel, and then one wash with dish soap like Dom or Palm Olive. If I'm wearing glitter and I have some laying around, I use duct tape to get the glitter off before washing. Another said coconut oil, one said using olive oil. Another one also said go over first with a baby wipe and then dish soap. So we're gonna do that. Are we gonna do that? We're gonna do that. I also went on AliExpress because I have zero self-control and I bought like 10 scrunchies. I feel like I want to match with the dish soap, so I think we're gonna go for a pinky. Of course, before I start this, I'm not trying to shade anyone. If this is what's available to you, go for it. I just think like, oh my god, you're washing your face with dish soap! Like, oh! I also think a lot of people think that items like coconut oil and olive oil are moisturizing oils that you can put on your skin, but these don't soak into your skin. They just sit on top of your skin and they don't penetrate. So I don't want to put this on my face. I don't want to use this on my face. I don't want to use this to remove my makeup, but I understand that it's an oil and it will break down a face of makeup. So yep, that's what we're gonna do. So excited, guys. I also thought this was a really great day to do this because I look like a drag queen with the amount of makeup I have on. First things first, let's just remove the lashes, I suppose. I'm also hunched over my sink because if I sit up properly, I'm much too large. I'm much too large. So bye. Boop. So like I was instructed, I'm gonna start off with some coconut oil. Yeah. So here we've got some organic, ideal for cooking, refined coconut oil. It's hard as a fucking rock because it's so cold here. There's no doubt in my mind that this isn't going to remove my makeup. This will remove my makeup because it's an oil and it's going to dissolve the makeup that's on my face. This isn't the part that I'm worried about. This is the part I'm worried about. So I guess I'll just rub this on my skin. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I feel like this is wrong. Do you want some water, boy? Oh no, you want the noodle. Oh, he wants the oil? You want the oil? Is that good? Does that taste good? Oh yeah. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, there's a cat. There's a cat. Oh god, there's a cat. He wants my coconut oil. Wow. Oh wow. I'm trying to do like around my face first and then like my eye area because I'm not gonna be able to see. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. It's not taking off my lip grip. Oh my god. I feel so oily. Oh boy. Hey, get out of there. He wants his coconut oil so bad. Oh god. Okay. I need to remove this. This doesn't feel good. I feel like Kourtney Kardashian. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Great. My makeup's removed because there's oil all over my face. Let's get into the real good stuff here. I don't know how much to use. I'm assuming that much is good. Oh, Bailey. Why? Why is this your life? I don't know. I don't know. So it's very fragrant. I feel like I'm doing dishes. It feels wrong. I mean, like I'm too afraid to get too close to my eye because obviously it's gonna burn. I mean, I just feel like it's stripping my skin of everything possible. Oh, I think something's in my eye. Oh, I think something. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Something's in my eye. Something's in my eye. Something's in my eye. Something's in my eye. Oh. I doing this? Why would anyone do this? Oh God. You know what? It's actually working. I also think it might be working because this cloth is full of coconut oil, and anytime I touch it to anywhere on my skin, the coconut oil just dissolves the product. There's definitely a distinct flavor in my mouth. That of botanical cherry blossom. Oh, oh my God. Dude. Oh. Okay, let me pull my hair down. You guys, I have a couple things to say about this. I know I didn't use the olive oil, and I'm just not going to. My skin feels like, how do I say this? I have stripped my skin of every morsel of its soul, and it burns, bitch! My skin burns! Oh my God, what is this even made with? What is this made? What is soap? There's no ingredients. Where's this P&G? Should I call them? Let's call them.
Thank you for calling Dawn. Merci d'avoir appelé Dawn. To continue in English, press 1. Pour le service en français. If you are calling regarding our money-back guarantee, please press 1. For all other questions or comments, please press 2 now to speak with one of our consumer care advisors.
First line, may irritate eyes.
Our office is now closed. Our normal operating hours are 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, excluding holidays.
Okay. Literally the first line, it says may irritate eyes. Do not get in eyes. Okay, it says contains biodegradable anionic surfactants. If swallowed, drink a glass of water to well, I swallowed it, so yeah, I think I need to chug a bottle of water. If in eyes, rinse well with water for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. At least I know that I can have a money back guarantee, so thanks P&G. You know, I always thought watching people, it's in my mouth, remove their makeup with soap was like, ah! And like it really is. My skin feels fucking terrible. It feels like it's about to crack. Like my nose is shiny. It's literally been stripped. I'm editing this right now and boy just stepped on my computer and paused it from recording. My face is stripped, honey. Look how shiny my nose is right now. My skin feels tight. It feels disgusting. It feels like I'm never gonna do this again. I feel like my soul has been taken away. Someone has stolen my soul. Please don't wash your face with this soap. Just please don't do it. It's too much for me to bear. Please. Please don't do it. Okay, bye guys. Love you. What's your water? Need your water.